It's a quick video of a Gordian Heddich and Sons singing bird clock. The movement's been completely rebuilt, taken apart, cleaned, and this is waiting to be installed. Here's the cam that lifts up and works the bellows. As you can see, it's completely redone. I also did a video of the singing bird mechanism, but here's the clock itself. This is a rare clock. No, this is the only known example so far. Nobody knew the thing existed. I bought this at the Eisenbach fair. Let me set this off. It does have a little bead here to set it off. I will tell you that the sound, you hear a lot of mechanical sound, but in life, you do not hear it in person. You don't hear all you do is hear the bird singing. So on the arrow, what it does is it'll lift up the bellows and give that a charge. You can see the bird's articulated, he's flapping his wings. Clock needs just now this little spire that goes on top of the banner. And the weights get installed. Here are the weights. Nice shaped weights. And it gets a regular bob pendulum. See, it has a cat on one side and a bird on the other. When it's complete, I'll do another follow-up video. So thank you for watching. Tune in and go to our website, blackforestclockcollectors.com, where all the collectors of Black Forest clock meet and discuss the hobby. Bye-bye now.